If you are planning to drop over $1,000 on a new iPhone, a Mac, or an iPad anytime soon, I need you to pause, because if you're using a traditional credit card, financing it through your cellular carrier, or worst of all, wiping out your hard-earned savings account, you are completely throwing money away. Right now, a major shift is happening in how we buy tech. Apple just quietly killed off its old, traditional iPhone upgrade program. In its place, they have joined forces with the king of fintech, Klarna, to launch a completely brand new ecosystem called the Apple Upgrade Program. It is essentially a loophole that lets you lease high-end Apple products for 0% interest, with monthly payments lower than a cheap gym membership. But here's the thing. Most people have no idea how it works, what the massive catch is, and why it's causing a massive war between fintech apps and legacy credit card companies.
Okay, let's break down the actual mechanics of this new system. For years, the only way to upgrade your phone every year without carrier contract traps was Apple's original in-house program. But by passing the torch to Klarna, they've expanded this to almost everything Apple makes. Here is the breakdown. If you are looking at an iPhone or an Apple Watch, you can choose a 12 or 24-month lease. If you need a MacBook or an iPad, you get a 24 or 36-month option. Instead of paying off a massive loan, you are literally just paying a small base utility fee to rent the hardware. We are talking about iPhones starting at roughly $18 a month and MacBooks starting around $25 a month. You sign up directly through the Apple Store app or online. Klarna approves you in seconds, and you're good to go. Now, this is where the math gets incredibly interesting, and it's why retail consumer searches for this topic are absolutely exploding. What happens when your lease term ends? Klarna gives you exactly 3 choices. Option 1, the infinite upgrade. You hand your current device back to Apple in decent working condition. Your old lease is wiped clean, and they hand you the next brand new model on a fresh lease. You never deal with selling a used device on eBay or Facebook Marketplace again. Option 2, walk away. You return the device, your payments stop entirely, and you owe nothing. Option 3, buy it out. If you fell in love with the device and want to keep it forever, you pay a final purchase option fee to buy out the remaining balance and own it outright. But hold on, before you rush to download the app, we have to talk about the catch. Because Klarna is famous for its pay-in-4 structure that doesn't affect your credit score, a lot of people think this new tech leasing program is totally free rein. It's not. To get approved for an Apple upgrade lease, Klarna does run a credit check. While it starts as a soft credit inquiry to see if you qualify, entering a formal hardware lease is a real financial contract. If you miss a payment, it will damage your credit score just like a missed credit card payment. Furthermore, if you are leasing an iPhone, it must be instantly connected to a major postpaid carrier, meaning AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon. If you're using a cheap prepaid plan, you're locked out. Ultimately, this new partnership shows exactly where the future of personal finance is going, moving away from traditional interest-heavy debt and moving toward predictable subscription models. So, I want to hear from you. Are you going to lease your next laptop or phone through an app like Klarna, or are you sticking to buying your tech up front? Drop a comment below, give this video a thumbs up if it saved you some cash, and hit that subscribe button for more real financial breakdowns. See ya in the next one.